Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. This vehicle has done just under 90,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access charging, app connect, radio and media, smartphone integration, navigation and our vehicle settings. On the second page we have driver assist, ID software, help and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we can get quick access to our 4 different driving modes: driver assist, climate control and our menu. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a leather trim.